files are now directly supported in 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design 2013, eliminating the requirement for Revit user to export an FBX. 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design artists can select a view of choice to load from within the Revit file, facilitating more direct access to multiple data views. In 3ds Max or 3ds Max Design 2013, go to the References menu like you did in previous versions and insert the link via the Manage Links window. Or, new to this 2013 version, go to the Import menu and choose the Link Revit option. Revit does not need to be installed on your system to have access to this workflow. Upon accessing the RVT file, you will have access to any Revit views that are set up in the Revit model. Notice that the Manage Links window opened up automatically. Within that window, you can see the Revit files that are being linked, the view you have chosen, and the options of import preset you can use. When you have selected a preset, click Attach this file. Once linked, the RVT file will appear as a linked in the Manage Links File tab, just like any other DWG or FBX file. Geometry, materials, light, as well as sun and sky will be imported in the same way that if you would link an FBX file. Keep in mind that you have the options to load multiple RVT files and reload the existing file if needed. To reload an existing RVT file, press the Reload button under the File tab. Notice the slight changes in the File Link Settings window. First, you have the option to reload any of the Revit views. Then, to help the translation of curved objects, you now have the ability to control the tessellation upon reload. And finally, a clearer message to handle materials origin upon reload. Let's reload the exterior building envelope with an increased tessellation number. Notice the smoothness of curves and round objects, something that was almost impossible to achieve in earlier versions. 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design 2013 enhanced Interop with Autodesk Revit architecture software can now take advantage of a more efficient data exchange workflow which permits unparalleled rendering quality and speed.